So what's up guys, welcome back to another video. And yeah, today guys we're working on this video. It's like creating a runner game with a guy chasing you down. You know, thank you for this idea, and I'm willing to do this tutorial for you guys. It just took me a time that I need to figure out something. Now I'm here and ready to make this video, so please subscribe, like to the channel. I really need subscribers, guy. We need to keep this channel going, cause I got a lot of ideas ready to help you guys um in gdevelop. So yeah, please subscribe. I need it. I need it. So yeah, and share the video. Yeah, and like too. And comment. And so here we got this enemy guy. He's not doing nothing, so we're gonna make him chase us today in this video and like make him jump and all that stuff. So yeah, please subscribe again. Alright, now let's go here. Let's go over events. Wait, I'm gonna show you something. Show him all his animations. So I created a run animation for him, a jump animation, a falling animation, and a standing animation. So yeah. So his name is, I call him Hunter. So let's create a group. Let's call it this Hunter. Let's call it create some events now. Looking close. Alright, so let's say go into movements and say add forward storage objects. You can say I'm Hunter. Move Hunter to the target of John and the speed of 300. Okay, let's play now. See what happens. Now you can see he's moving. And yeah. So I also want to do something and say when 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 John is moving toward, but no wait, when Hunter is moving toward John, platform behavior and say controls and say simulate right key plus for Hunter. So let's see now. Now he's coming after me really strong. Ow. So let's just create some things like for Hunter. So when Hunter is moving, change the animation to for Hunter to run. When Hunter is jumping, set Hunter animation to when Hunter is jumping, set animation to jump. Let's create some more events here. When Hunter is falling, set the animation to fall. And I guess those are it. Wait, let's say something here. Jumping, fall, stand. Okay. And when where is this now? When John is stuck. Oh, not John. when Hunter stop, uh, set the animation to stand. Now let's press here, press play. Let's see what you got here. Now he's moving across us. He's like falling and stuff. What the fuck? Now he's trying to like jump over it, but that's causing a lot. So now let's fix this now and just say we're gonna say when Hunter collides with this and he's on a floor, he might jump. You gotta get it, guys. You gotta get it. Then when Hunter collide with jump area and is on floor, that means that if he's still colliding for floor, simulate jump key press for Hunter. Now let's play this. Let's see what we got. Come on, Hunter. Yeah, so that's it. Whoa, he's very fast. Jump. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, we're gonna work in that in another video. So now we're getting Hunter run us down and stuff. So let's also do something else. Let's call it more, make more dummy spots for it. We're gonna fix it in the other video, guys. So yeah, please subscribe so you can be updated on let's see if Hunter can jump from right here. Go over here. Whoa, he didn't jump very high. So let's see if Hunter can jump. Whoa! Yo! That nigga. Yeah, guys. So yeah, please subscribe to the channel. And we're gonna have more fun with more games and stuff. So yeah, I know we're gonna fix the other sides in the other videos. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel. I really need your guys' support. And wait. We need to add one more something. We need to add one more something. Let's call this. Let's call this hide. I just said at the beginning of scene, hide jump area. Whoa, 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 whoa. He's fast. And he's not hard going on the ground. I forgot to put jump area there. So yeah, please subscribe. I really need your help, guys. And thank you guys if you already subscribed.